The next exercise is the 6 healing sound for the spleen. The sound is hoo, hoo, but you act like you're blowing out a candle. It's very similar to the sound of the wind. The emotion for the spleen is worry and overthinking, and this is what we want to let go when we're doing the exhalation. The emotion that you want to think about is being content, centered, and grounded within yourself and within the environment. So first I'll do the exercise, and then we'll add the sound of. Again, we start in normal stance. Take an inhalation and stay motionless. Exhale, bringing your palms up, and then when you reach about the spleen height, you turn to the right as one hand goes above, heading over your head, and the other one is down by your side with a palm heading towards the ground. And you just twist gently from your torso and look back over your right shoulder. On inhalation, you bend your knees, and then the palms come towards one another, facing one another, balancing the yin and the yang. Again, at mid-level, you turn and switch positions with the right hand up, looking over your head, and the left palm facing the earth, and turning to the left. Again, inhale and exhale.